Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for being here today on the CCFM booth. I'm very happy to be here this morning to do a quick demonstration on how to use a CCFM dough chiller through a very simple application, which is croissant dough. This one right here, what you can do is to cut small squares. Squares of butter do I have on this dough? However, if the dough is actually quite warm, even though you do 3.5 right here, your dough will never be at 3.5, it will be always thicker. Okay? Joining today our demonstration for croissant. Use our beautiful purple CCFM dough chiller, and I'm going to show you how to make croissant dough. One more time we remove the flour, and then as you can see I press with the rolling pin just in the center. How many? 2. So on the other side now I'm going to start to prepare the butter. Thank you for listening to the demo. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.